Hello guys, welcome to another new video. Today I want to discuss how does AI impact supply chain management. So, let's go to start. Artificial intelligence, AI is revolutionizing supply chain management by bringing a powerful blend of data analysis and automation. Here's how AI is making a positive impact. Enhanced decision-making, AI algorithms can analyze massive datasets from various sources, including sales history, weather patterns, and traffic conditions. This allows for more accurate demand forecasting, enabling companies to optimize inventory levels, production schedules, and transportation routes. Improved efficiency and cost savings, AI can automate repetitive tasks in logistics, such as order fulfillment and warehouse management. This frees human workers to focus on more strategic tasks and reduces operational costs. Increased resilience, AI can analyze real-time data to identify potential disruptions in the supply chain, such as raw material shortages or transportation delays. This allows companies to proactively mitigate risks and ensure uninterrupted operations. Optimized transportation and logistics, AI can analyze traffic patterns, weather conditions, and fuel efficiency to create the most efficient delivery routes. This reduces transportation costs and shortens delivery times. Predictive maintenance, AI can be used to monitor equipment and predict potential failures before they occur. This allows for preventive maintenance, reducing downtime and ensuring smooth operations. Overall, AI is transforming supply chain management into a more data-driven, efficient, and resilient system. This translates to cost savings, improved customer satisfaction, and a competitive edge for businesses that embrace AI solutions. Thanks for watching. For more videos, keep in touch with us. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.